Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing today this Devgru NGRS Devgru. So always look nice these, don't they, you know? So obviously the whole silencer and everything all comes as standard. It's quite nice. Just sets up the gun nicely. So this one is got upgrade package inside. We've got the level 9 build. So we've got the Eagle 6 M90 spring, the Psionic ARL kit, the number 6 kit, the Prometheus Tightbore barrel 275, Prometheus ball bearings 6mm, Prometheus gear set, the 20:1 ratio, the Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring, the Prometheus spring guide for NGRS. We've got the Prometheus piston head, the Prometheus hard piston. I believe we exchanged that one for a FPS one. I'll double check on that for when we put the video up. We've got the Prometheus Air cylinder head. We've got the FPS Cylinder D. We've got the Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus Tappet plates, Prometheus Selector plates, Prometheus anti-reverse latch. We've got the Jefftron optical electronic trigger sets. We've got the warhead brushless motor at the high speed. We've got the ASAP style sling point at the back here from Leviathan. We've got the Magpul CTR stock, which we've hollowed with an extended butt pad. And you can see in there the 7.4 1300 battery inside there, the LiPo, and it counts for about everything. So obviously it results in a very nice looking gun that's going to have a very snappy trigger response. We've met the customer for FPS requirements on this a little bit low, so obviously as requested, because it goes to some quite strict sites, it would appear. So we've gone for about 318 on 0.2s and 245 on 3s, so I probably wouldn't recommend 3.2s on this particular build. I generally sort of say about 240 is your bare minimum for whatever ammo you're trying to use, and we're just going to demonstrate it working now. I'm really starting to like these Jefftron MOSFETs. Gate's got a tough time of it, I think, going forward, obviously with doing products that good and for less money. Weird now. Let's give that a go again. There we go. All working. I'll sort out that mag in a bit. And yeah, all tested working. And any problems, let us know. But we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.